Your contract says 200,000 yen a month, but the money in your bank account is about 167,000 yen. Where did more than 30,000 yen go? It was not stolen. Today, I will explain how to read your Japanese payslip from the very beginning. If you will start working in Japan soon, this video will save you from a shock on your first payday. If you are already working in Japan, watch until the end. Today, you will finally understand every number on your payslip. First, two important words. Gross salary is the amount before taxes and insurance are taken out. Net salary is the money that actually enters your bank account. When a job ad says 200,000 yen, it does not mean net. It is the amount before deductions. And your real gross pay can be higher than the ad with overtime pay and allowances. A Japanese payslip usually has three parts. Payments, the money you receive. Deductions, the money taken out. Attendance, your working days and hours. Today, our main topic is the middle part. Deductions. The answer to our missing 30,000 yen is there. Deduction number 1. Income tax. This is tax for the country. A small amount is taken from your salary every month, like a prepayment. The amount depends on your salary and on the family members you support. And one important thing, there is a form about your dependents. Whether you submit this form changes how much tax is taken every month. Usually, you submit it to your main employer. When your company gives it to you, check it and submit it. At the end of the year, your company adjusts your tax. This is called year-end adjustment. Deduction number 2, resident tax. This is tax for the city where you live. Here is something many foreigners do not know. Resident tax is calculated from your income of last year. So when you have just arrived in Japan, it is usually not taken yet. For company workers, it is usually taken from your salary from June to May of the next year. This means the year after you start working in Japan, from around June, take-home pay becomes smaller for many people. If you do not know this, you will think, did my salary go down? Deduction number 3, health insurance. With this, you usually pay only 30% of the cost at the hospital. You and your company pay the insurance fee half and half. Your pay slip shows only your half. Also, from April 2026, you may see a new small item on your pay slip, a support fund for children and families. It is a small amount. Do not be surprised. Deduction number 4, the employee pension. This is public pension insurance. It is not only for old age. It is also connected to support if you become disabled, and support for your family if you die. You may think, I will not live in Japan forever, so is this money lost? For foreigners, there is a system called the lump sum withdrawal payment. If you meet the conditions, you can claim it after you leave Japan. But be careful, it does not return all the money you paid. And after you receive it, the period before your claim no longer counts as pension time for your future pension. We will make a full video about this system soon. Subscribe so you do not miss it. For now, remember one thing. Keep your pension records and documents safe. Deduction number 5, employment insurance. Compared with the other insurance fees, it is a small amount. But if you lose your job, it can support you if you meet the conditions. Now let's look at one example. A person under 40 working in Tokyo. Gross salary, 200,000 yen. Health insurance, pension, employment insurance, and more, about 29,000 yen in total. Income tax, about 3,000 yen in total. Income tax, about 3,000 yen. If resident tax has not started yet, the take-home pay is about 167,000 yen. But remember, your numbers will be different. They change with your age, your city, your family, your last year's income, and your company's own deductions. For example, from age 40, a care insurance fee is added. This is only one example. Let's go back to resident tax one more time. Your take-home pay may be 167,000 yen now, but from around June of next year, resident tax may start. Then your take-home pay can become smaller. The amount depends on your last year's income. Your salary did not go down. A new tax started. Please remember this video in June next year. One more thing to check, together with your payslip, your contract. In some companies, the salary already includes fixed overtime pay. In that case, these things must be clear. The base salary without the fixed overtime, how many hours and how much money it covers, and extra payment when you work more than those hours. You can check them in the job ad or in your working conditions document. When you compare job offers, always check if overtime is included. Finally, 3 habits. 1. Check the numbers on your payslip every month. Your company must give you a payslip. 2. Keep them, do not throw them away. They are important when you check your salary and deductions later. Also keep your tax slip, your working conditions document, and any paper that shows your pension number. 3. If a number looks strange, ask your company. That is your right. Let's close. The 30,000 yen did not disappear. It was taken as taxes, health insurance, pension, and employment insurance. What is taken and how much? If you can read your payslip, you can check it yourself. When you understand the system, a Japanese salary is not scary. We continue with more about money in Japan. If you do not want to miss it, subscribe and turn on all notifications. And tell me in the comments, what surprised you most on your first Japanese payslip? Your answer can help someone who will get their first payslip soon.